Question 1. Which of the following properties would best describe carbon, sulfur, and phosphorus? A. Shiny, B. Malleable, C. Brittle, or D. High conductivity? Question 2. Scientists classify matter into various groups. Which group is typically described by the characteristics listed below? Usually solid at room temperature, can be bent or changed in shape without breaking, show a shiny luster when scratched or polished. A. Metals, B. Nonmetals, C. Elements, or D. Compounds. Question 3. Which element in the table is more likely to be brittle and cannot be stretched into a thin wire? A. Silver, B. Arsenic, C. Sodium, or D. Aluminum? Question 4. Which element in the table would most suited for use in electric wires? A. Silicon, B. Copper, C. Bromine, or D. Chlorine? Question 5. Which of the following elements would you expect to be most similar to oxygen, O, in terms of its chemical properties? A. Nitrogen, B. Fluorine, C. Sulfur, D. Chlorine? Question 6. The bar graph below represents 4 elements and their atomic numbers. The label for the y-axis indicates that each element's atomic number differs by 1 unit. What would be the most likely positioning of these unknown elements in the periodic table? Question 7. Which of the following trends is a true statement about periods on the periodic table? A. Elements in a period go from nonmetals to metals. B. Atoms of elements from left to right across a period have increasing numbers of protons in their nucleus. C. Atoms of elements from left to right across a period have decreasing masses. Or D. Atoms of elements from left to right across a period have decreasing numbers of electrons in their electron clouds. Question 8. We can learn a lot about an element from its position on the periodic table. One thing we cannot determine from the periodic table is an element's A. Atomic mass, B. Reactivity, C. Color, or D. Atomic structure. Question 9. The tables below show the position of different elements on the periodic table. Which table has an X in the locations of 3 elements that would be most similar in the way that they react? Question 10. What do all the elements listed on the right have in common? A. They are metals. B. They are in the same period. C. They have the same number of electrons. Or D. They have 4 electrons in their outer shells.